This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN connection. It will ask for connection once you open it. We can just tap on OK and it will start connecting in no time. At the top here, be able to go ahead and able to select your servers. But as you can see, it's pretty much connected. But once it's connected, I'll pretty much be able to go at the top there and pretty much select my server connection that I would like to use. So that's how very simple this VPN application is to use. It will take a while, as you can see here. Once it's pretty much connected, you will add your connection time. As you can see here, I can add 90 minutes connection time here. Well, I will have to watch an ad. But as you can see here, I have 90 minutes connection time. Over here, I have 90 minutes connection time as well. You can add 120 minutes connection time for that as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And as well, you can go in different options as it relates to getting more connection time, as you can see down here. So if I do tap on the top option here at the top, I'll be able to select other servers as it relates to this VPN connection, as you can see here. But just the United States servers and the Canada servers are up here. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Nothing much. That's how you really use it. I've reviewed a bunch of these VPN applications here, and they're just very, very simple to use. But if you still don't understand or if you have any problem at all, just let me know in the comment section, and I will see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.